Let's talk about remove elements. So given an integer array nums and an integer value, remove all occurrence of value in the nums, and the relative order of the elements may be changed. So without looking at this description, which is bad, and let's just jump to the example. So you want to remove value 3, and you just only need to return the position, right? So when you traverse the array, right, you need to know if the value is actually equal to the target, which is the value. If you do, then you need to know you need to replace this spot with some non-target value, which is 2. So you will replace 2 at for this 3, and then this spot will be available for the remaining integer for the non-target value. All right. So in this case, I'm gonna use double pointer. So let's just start coding. So install equal to 0 and fast equal to 0. Right. So while fast is not, which is less than nums the length, I will just traversing, right? So, and also I will increment my fast anyhow. So if my fast actually my fast is actually like traversing, right? So but my slow is actually recording the current value position, right? So if nums at fast is it's not equal to val. If they are not equal to val, right? I will have to assign to the slow for this current position, right? And then I will increment my slope. But let's just demonstrate a little bit. So fast and slow at this position, right? And fast, this position fast is equal to a val. So we are not enter this if statement. And then I move on my fast to the second index, which is index 1. And the index 1 is actually not equal to the val. So you enter this if statement, and nums are slow, which is the first position, and I will assign my slow position to my fast position. So 3 and 2 will swap, right? I mean, not swap. You assign 2 to the index 0, right? And then I will move on my slow to the least position. Okay. And at the end, you just have to return the length. So when you want to return the length, you just return slow, right? Because we already move on. And this is, it doesn't matter is that you start from index 0 or not, because when you assign and then you move on, and this will be the length of the value string, value array, and this will be the solution. Just run it, and here we go. So that's it. And let's talk about time and space complexity. For time, this will be all of n, right? And for the space, this will be constant, and all of 1, and this will be the solution. And if you want to subscribe, like if you want it, and then leave a comment if you have any question. I will see you next time. Bye.